You might be thinking, what is Model United Nations?
And in this video, we will tell you about what Model United Nation is.
So what is Model United Nations? Model United Nations in when students get to step in the shoes of world leaders and discuss and solve global issues.
The first stage in Model United Nations is research. This is when students research their given topic, committee, or country.
The second stage is the debate. This is where you get to speak about the perspective of your country and influence what other thinks about you.
The third stage is negotiation. This is when students get up and meet with one another to form group of countries that are called blocks. That blocks determine what kind of solutions are there for their assigned topics.
The fourth stage is resolution and resolution writing. This is when the blocks come together to create a document which outlines the solutions to the global issues and what their committee is discussing.
And the fifth stage is action. This is when the committee goes through each resolution and votes on them to determine which resolution the United Nations will adopt and implement them.
And that's it. This is what Model United Nations